We are about to replace this hatch. Pretty much easy. Just look, I gotta fix all this thing. The bumper too. I gotta make a video on that. Tail light. I just need to take these off so I could do the, body works. Open this. All right. So if you have help, that's cool. So you gotta disconnect these connectors here, and there's like 2 bolts each side, and this guy go down. So I'm gonna put something here so it can hold up. Then I can just take it off. All right. So let me get a pipe or something. I got my pipe over here. Put that shit there. Now let's put these down. Put that down. All right. It's out the way. You see, look at this whole thing dent in. So I'm gonna have to pull this back, try to align this latch over here with the trunk. New trunk. Well, used trunk. All right. Let's pull this down. Let's try to get in here. Pull this down over here. These 2 clips, 3 clips here. Let's take those off so we can push this down. We might have to take this off too. Might. Really just pull it out. Since we're here, both sides. Pull this thing down, the seal. And they can just pop this off like that. Alright, just like that. Now let's get the clip puller, pop these out. Alright, got the clip puller. Pop this off. Don't lose those. Alright. Okay. Now, leave that there. Now, okay, optional. If you want to take these off here too, that's up to you, but I am not. So you see, these are the connectors you have to remove. And yeah. Let's follow this. Look at this. Huh, it's not even connectors. It's for windshield wiper fluid. Let's pop that out. Wow. No. Alright, this one. That's the connector right here. Now that. Then you gotta follow that. Okay. All the way. So drop this down. Right there. See that? Right there. Pop these off. And this one right here. And this last one back here. Alright. Get that out. Now pop this off. Stick this off. So this don't be stuck in there while I take it out. Okay. All right, that's done. Now we have to go down here and take these off. These are 12 mil. The 12. So it's a 12. Pop them off. Right there. Careful. Shit might bend over. Careful, careful. Who knows, my shit might fall. We'll see. Just in case, put your foot there. There you go. Alright. That's off. Alright, then come down. Alright. Let's take this right here. Okay. Now let me get the flathead to remove this off. Alright, let's do this side first. Be careful with this. This is gonna fall down definitely. After this, hell yeah. Pop this off. Like so. Okay. Now it's gonna tilt down because one side is not gonna hold it. Let's put this pipe there. Like so. Alright. Now. Don't trust that pipe because it's gonna tilt. Alright. Hold it. Don't recommend you doing this by yourself. If you have a second hand, use it. Okay, I can hold it from here. All right, oh, there you go. All right, now let's take this out. All right. All right, there you go. Now let's get the used one. Let's get the used one and put it on. Now I'm just transferring parts over that I need that's fresher than this one. So I'm gonna just transfer them over. So I'm gonna just take some stuff. Might take the trim. Looks the same though, but whatever. I'm gonna just take some stuff, transfer it over. I'm gonna take some parts off here, then throw this out. Then this one have to go back. Okay, now it's time to put this back on. This is gonna be interesting. Let's put these on top first. These hatch, face them up. Okay, now let's try to put it up, swing it up, and try to put it on. Try to put it on that. If not, we're fucked. We are doomed. Shit. All right, so let's see if I can face him down. Make it seem like I'm closing it to make it, try to make it work. All right, let's try like that. Swing it over. Okay. All right. Put it in the hole. Try to put it in the hole. Oh, damn. Okay. That. Same thing with this. Okay. That's in. That's in. Now it's just pipe. Okay. Keep it up. Or make this better. Let's put these back on there so it can stay up. Okay. It's down. Same thing with this side. This, that. Now, swing this up till you could click these on like that. Same thing this side. Okay. Okay. All right. That's good. Hopefully that worked. I don't think so. All right. Now let's try to put a bolt there. Now let's grab one of these. Oh, of course I don't have the damn gun with me. I could have just locked it in now. Let's do this side. Okay. Cool. Cool. Good. Now let's get the gun, zip everything up. Well, tighten everything. All right, got the 12. This is back. Tighten this. All right, same thing for this side. All right, now put these in. This in there. Okay, it goes like that. For your wipers, like that. Let's connect it to here. Now let's put. So if your camera just happened not to work, right? Your reverse camera, you can try to take these wires, swap these wires with the old one, because the old camera was working. So this one look a little blurry or off. Swipe it or swap it. Okay. Okay, cool. These be breaking off, so I'll be just taking them off. To be honest, this one off, I leave it like that. It's a little bit off, but okay. Okay, so this don't have a thing to go in this hole, so we're just gonna let it like that, let it loose. All right, let's put your clips here. Actually, I'm gonna leave it like this just in case I need to adjust over here when I do the trunk, because you see it's not really on there. You see the paint. See this one? See? I might have to adjust it a little bit. So I'm just leave it like that. I'm not gonna put these. I'm not putting these back. All right. So leave it like that. Yeah, that's it. That's how you do your hatch, trunk, whatever you want to call it, on this Prius. Later.